Hey guys, what's going on? I am here to do a video on this Michael Kors crossbody that I just received today. I ordered this bag last month on the 28th of February, and I just got it in today. The UPS man just dropped it off, and today is March the 5th, so it didn't take that long for it to get here. So they were having some kind of sale or whatever, and I had saw this bag and I was like, I just kept trying to decide if I wanted to get it or not. So I just went ahead and got it. So let me show you guys what I got. And this is how it came. It came in just a little stuffed envelope. But y'all, this is so cute. This is called the Michael Kors Jet Set Large Logo Debossed Crossbody Bag. And this is in the color black. They also had it in the color white or like a cream color. But I decided to get the black one, and it does have the silver hardware because I was wanting a black bag, like a Jet Set black bag with the silver hardware, because I have a solid black bag like this, but it has the gold hardware. So I was like, let me get this one. And y'all won't believe, y'all, this bag retails for $328. Y'all, this bag was on sale for $71.20. So y'all know I had to snatch this up like real fast, because I end up, because it was like, I think 80 something dollars, I think. And then they had like some extra percentage off or something like that. But anyway, I got it for $71.20. So here is the bag. Super duper cute. And then here's the side. And then here is the back. The back also has the debossed on there. And then here is the bottom of the bag. And this bag is the same size as his other Jet Set bags that's shaped like this or whatever, in the solid colors. Is the same exact size. So I picked that up. So here is the tag. There it is for you guys. Y'all, this bag is so freaking cute. Oh, this is so cute. Anyway, it's cuter in person. So let y'all see the inside. And I love these bags because they are like so roomy. Y'all, this bag is so huge in the inside. So if you look at the inside, you will see a big pocket right here. And then just have your card and stuff in there. So there's a big pocket on that side. You turn it around, and then you have another pocket, right here. You can slide like your phone in there, or some receipts or something, in there. But this is like a big roomy bag. So I have a regular size Michael Kors wallet, and I'm gonna see if it will fit in here. And you guys, it does fit, and you still have plenty of room to put like your lotion, mirrors, chargers, hand sanitizers, roller ball perfume, just whatever you want to put in here. You still have plenty of room. And also, if you don't want to carry such a big wallet, you can always downsize to a smaller wallet, or you can get you like the little card case holder thingies, and that way you'll have plenty of room. Y'all, this is the cutest bag. I think I'm going to carry this sucker. I like this. This is so nice. This is really, really nice. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that. And let me take this off so you all can see the handle. Put that, and then like I said, you can wear this either as a shoulder bag, or you can wear it as a crossbody. And I'm not like a crossbody girl, but I'm trying to get better with that. I just feel like I don't look right with crossbodies. But here it is with the strap on here. Baby, that silver is popping. Yes, silver. Y'all, that's so cute. Like I said, here's the little strap, and it's adjustable. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 extra holes. So you can adjust it however you will like. But yeah, y'all, this is the cutest bag. And if y'all may, y'all may still be able to find it. It may still be on there. I'm not sure. But yeah, y'all, this is the cutest. Oh, I love this bag. This is so freaking cute. So freaking cute. But like I said, this is the Jet Set Large Logo Debossed Crossbody bag. And it retails for did I say $3.58 or $3.28? It retails for $3.28, and I got it for $71.20. Y'all just go check out Michael Kors online, because they be having some really good sales, and they always have like percentage and stuff off or whatever. So y'all go on there and check them out. You might find you something. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this bag. Such a cute, nice bag. And if you guys have any questions, like always, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.